Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll in order to find the wallpaper and style. Now we have to simply tap on this change wallpaper option. As you can see above, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. What is more, before we will change the wallpaper, a quick disclaimer, we've got the wallpaper colors, which is a cool option because your device can take the colors from the wallpaper you will apply and then also apply it to the system. So everything will be kind of, compatible and personalized. So that's quite cool. All right, so let's tap on change wallpaper. Alright, and as you can see here, we've been transferred to the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got my photos, which is basically your own gallery, on-device wallpaper, so the pre-installed options, and as you can see we've got only one, which is currently applied, and here we've got more options which you will have the access to if you will have the internet connection, so be aware about that. And let me pick something from those options. Simply tap on the album to check more options. As you can see, we've got plenty of pretty wallpapers which you can set. And in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. And as you can see right now, we've got the preview of the home screen. We can check also the lock screen. You can change the position of this wallpaper. As you can see, it's up to you. And basically, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen or home and lock screens. So let me pick this option. And let's go back, or we will automatically get back to the home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.